Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today in this video, we are going to press our Unisub hardboard signage right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to press our Unisub hardboard signage. This comes in 3 different styles that we have here. So we have the straight landscape, we have this fun little shape here, and then we have our
rectangle.
There you go. So let's get started.
All right. So I printed off our print with the sublimation printer. And there is a lighter on here, so be sure to take that off prior to pressing. And there is a little bleed on here to ensure that we have a good print. I'm going to tape it with our thermal tape. And I'm going to put a piece of silicone down on the bottom just to protect our platen. And we're going to press at 400 degrees for 105 seconds at medium pressure.
Okay, and these are fun because it also has a nice little ribbon here, so you can hang them up for all the different styles. It does come with that. You can also use a marker on these. So on this one, it's blank dates till Christmas. So you can use a little marker to mark in what you want and then just dry erase it off.
All right, I'm gonna get my gloves on because we are about done here. Okay. You want to remove this immediately. And there we go.
So again, it's a fun sign to hang up, on a door, your house, and your walls, kind of anything. So products and templates are available online underneath the product on the SKU number. So if you have any questions, comments, just comment below. Thank you.